Hello everyone. Welcome to Tech Teachers. In previous video we have seen translation of the poem that is Be the Best. Before we start the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the notification of the new video. Now we will start from words meaning. See here, scrub, an area covered with small, low plants, छोटी छोटी झाड़ियाँ. Next, rill, a small stream or shallow canals meaning झरना. Musky and bass means names of fish, मछलियों के नाम. Next is crew, sailor who work on a ship meaning कैप्टन और ऑफिसर्स को छोड़कर बाकी के जहाज पर काम करने वाले लोग. See the next, lesser mean unimportant or not so great as the other मतलब के कम दर्जे के लोग. After the next, trail meaning a narrow path means पगडंडी या छोटा रास्ता. Now move on to the next question, that is warming up. First is chit chat. Here some questions are given. You should write your answer in one or two lines. See the first question. Have you got a prize in any competition? क्या आपको किसी मुकाबले में प्राइज मिला है? See the answer. Yes, I have got a prize in a drawing competition. Second, how did you feel at the time? उस वक्त आपको कैसा लगा था? Answer is I felt very happy at that time. Next is have you ever failed in your efforts? क्या आप अपनी कोशिशों में कभी असफल रहे? Answer is yes, I did fail some occasions in spite of my efforts. Phone number, do you think we should accept success as well as failure? क्या आपको लगता है कि हमें कामयाबी और नाकामयाबी दोनों को मानना है? Answer is yes. Definitely, we should accept success as well as failure with the same spirit. Last one is, what will be your reaction if you are not selected in a team? अगर आपको टीम में नहीं चुना गया तो आपका रिएक्शन क्या होगा? See the answer. I will feel sad and dejected if I am not selected in a team. But I will try to find the reasons of it and work on it to improve myself. Now we will see the next question. Rearrange each of the sets of words according to the increasing order of their size growth. छोटे से बड़े साइज में लिखना है. First one, river, stream, sea, ocean. Answer, stream, river, sea, ocean. Second, hill, stone, mountain, rock. See the answer, stone, rock, hill, mountain. Third, plant, sapling, tree, seed. Answer, seed, sapling, plant, tree. Phone number, child, adult, baby, youth. See the answer, baby, child, youth, adult. Now we will turn on next question, that is the story writing. In this question, a story is given in the fill in the blanks. You should write with the proper word. See, a lion was sleeping in a forest. A mouse started playing on him. The lion got up angrily. He caught the mouse and was ready to kill it. The mouse begged the lion to leave it and said that someday it would help the lion. The lion laughed and let it go. One day the lion was caught in a net set up by hunters. He roared loudly as he tried too hard to escape. The mouse heard the lion and came. It chewed up the net with its sharp teeth and set the lion free. Moral of the story, A friend in need is a friend indeed, or never underestimate anyone. Now we will see the remaining question and answers in the next video. We hope you understand today's warming up very well. In next video we will see question and answer the other parts. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the notification of the new video. Thank you.